we're gonna move it because we can't find the piece. Marie Stewart. Stone.
Dale.
Yeah.
Elrika. Deborah.
Deborah.
Let me move this.
Let me tell them what we're not trying to say. Hold on, man.
Carmelita.
Belong to me. I don't belong to you.
Put my glasses, 'cause I can't see.
Sorry.
When you're visually impaired.
Sorry.
How you guys doing? You put in it happened?
I did.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, you didn't.
I did.
You did?
Yep.
You said my life. Time you're here.
I have to put in the display.
Debbie,
No copyright
Diane.
infringement
This is
intended.
not real. How you
Diane,
doing?
Debbie, Laurel, Felix.
Baby, we belong. And we're still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. You don't belong to me.
Don't belong to me.
I don't belong to
I
you.
don't belong to you.
Still we're together. Social media newsroom.
Social media newsroom, big up yourself. Maureen,
Maureen.
Patricia. On the side.
Still love on the side.
You don't belong to me.
Don't belong to me.
And
I
glasses.
don't
All right. Lorraine. Concerned citizen, pick up yourself. Good evening, one and all. Good evening, kings and queens. Come on in.
on the side. Still love on the side.
Melinda, good evening, queen.
You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, kings and queens. Pick up yourself.
Beautiful people, how y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Charmaine.
So, we were gonna show 2 bags of the clothes tonight, but we're having a hard time.
We're missing a piece, and
Yeah, I don't know where the piece, I don't know where the piece is. So what to
the
do?
rack is out. Okay, the point blank period, the rack is out.
Well, we have 2 more.
We have more, but it was
They're all separated.
They're all separated, so it's-
we're having a hard time finding the pieces. So we
they'll
have
go appropriately together
yeah, so we have to go beg Mike
Yes.
put it together.
because he knows about that.
Vanilla and I have been fighting to try to put it together
For a
the
while
longest.
now.
Yeah, before we come on live, and we're like, I'm gonna just turn on the live, yeah, man, because we can't bother. So what
Hold on,
we're gonna do, we're gonna just push it to the side, and then we have some hangers right here. We also put on the clothes them, pan the hanger, and show you guys some of the pieces them that I'm gonna be putting in the barrel. But before we do all of that, Vanilla says she have
I
something
have
to say.
something I want to discuss tonight.
Oh Lord,
Yes.
she tell me say
That
if you
not
shop-
go work, Paula. Pushing a stick through it not go work. It go broke.
Yeah, the piece feet is there. It's just
metal.
that
We
we
just
just have to go sort out the pieces. They're
And
in the
this-
guest room.
There's 3 of them, so it's finding the pieces that actually go together. And
Yeah.
that was the problem we were having, and we were getting frustrated.
Yeah, because
So-
we pick up a whole heap of pieces and they don't
They
go,
don't go
they
together.
go together.
We all have pieces right there on the floor
See,
behind me.
we have pieces down here. But they coming like a few other one.
These are for one of the
For
other ones.
one of
'cause
the
as
other
you can
ones,
see,
yeah.
see? And this is a big long piece.
Yeah, we can't.
And none of
figure
them
it
no go
out.
to it.
Yeah, so we're just all scrappy. We have to improvise tonight. You understand? Cause me done already. Lift up a heavy ass bag, then bring them down here.
Yeah.
You understand?
We have to bag them.
So 2 of them I show tonight. Stuff from 2 of them. You understand? But Vanilla says she want to chat to you guys. She said me fi give her the floor. So here you go, Vanilla.
Now I'm gonna ask you to keep your king quiet, all right?
Keep my king quiet.
Yeah.
All right.
Let me talk what I wanted to come out here. Come talk. All right.
Okay.
So.
And some water, yeah, because me feel like me thirsty.
Can you get me some too, please?
Me just pull out the baklava. Yo, okay.
All right, that's all right. I'll get it.
You want me to get a bottle from the pantry?
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me get your water because I know why you choke. And I have to make sure you're all right.
I appreciate that, my sister.
Yeah. All right, so here's a bottle of
Yes,
water.
thank
for
you so much. Let me take a sip of
water.
water.
It seems dangerous. Okay. It seems dangerous. So
All right.
let me just keep my king quiet and turn up. You want me to turn up?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
all right.
stay right there. All right. I came out tonight to say, I, Vanilla, struck Pep's page. Not chocolate and vanilla. I, Vanilla, took it upon myself for strike your page, Pepe. That's point 1. Everything, this is just the beginning. Everything that I am going to do, I am going to come out here and admit what I have done. So don't come out here, come tell no lies, say chocolate and vanilla did this and chocolate and vanilla did that. No, because if me not do it, me not going to say me do it. Because me no say you're a liar, Pepe. So first and foremost, me no say you're a liar. So me come out here for say and admit that I, not chocolate and vanilla, I, Vanilla, the one you call Dundos, struck your page upon YouTube. It not come down yet. It's still up. Because it's don't come down still. Me not done. I've only just begun. Everything you Pep have come out to say about my sister Chocolate, I take it personal. Even if you didn't call my name and make any accusations, come chat about me, come chat about her. Everything you said about her, I took it personal. Everything is not Chocolate. Your Chocolate is a easy back type of person. She'll say, let God do his work. No. God is going to do his work, but I'm going to do my work too. So, first and foremost, again, I, Vanilla, struck your YouTube page more than once. So, that's 1. Tomorrow, tonight's not a normal night for us to come live. But I am busy tomorrow with more than 1 appointment for your Pepe. More than 1 appointment for you, Pepe, tomorrow. So, just be prepared. You think, to me, this is personal. I have taken everything you said about my sister and took it personal, like a Mia chat. So, you will, I have reported your threats to the police. I have supplied them with your video of your threats from your page. No allegations, no allegedly, nothing. Your threats that you made on your YouTube page have been given to the police. So, it's coming. Like I said, I've only just begun. And I want to let other platform holders know, be prepared because you might be receiving some phone calls in the future from certain different areas. I'm not going to name any names. I have consulted more than one attorney. My brother-in-law is an attorney. So first of all, there's one attorney. All right? One attorney. I have 3 police officers in my immediate family. 3. All right? But I also have another lawyer. So don't think anything I'm doing, I haven't consulted a lawyer. I have consulted 2 lawyers. So just be prepared, because more is coming your way. Like I said, I've only just begun, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop, because I took everything you said about my sister, my best friend, personal. So in regards to you making all those accusations, all those, she's behind on her mortgage, she is an alcoholic, she is this, she is that. I hope you have proof for all of the things that have come out of your mouth, Pepe. I hope you have proof of every accusation, false accusation, that you have made about either one of us.
Guys, there are certain things we can't discuss.
I'm going to get into that. I'm going to get into that. I'm going to get into that. All
Okay.
right. So, everything I'm doing, step by step, I'm being led by my attorney. There are certain things I can talk about tonight, and there are certain things I cannot talk about tonight. Everything I have done, I have been advised by my attorney to do this. This is the first thing we're going to do. This is the second thing we're going to do. Then this, then this, then this, everything. I'm not going to be able to come discuss everything I'm doing, because trust me, I am working hard in the background for you, Pepe. Like I said, tomorrow, specifically for you, I have more than one appointment. Yes.
And people, keep in mind that social media is not the court of law.
Yes.
You have a lot of people running around saying that you can't sue, and everybody talk about sue, sue, sue. We don't, listen, let you talk. We don't do anything to lose. No. Whether it's the law or not the law. We don't play to lose. So we're not going to go, our attorney is not going to present something that's a losing case. And you have to realize that in the United States of America, they have what is called freedom of speech. So our attorney have to separate what is freedom of speech versus defamation. So things like that takes time to put a solid case together. The thing about us, though, we don't give up.
No.
So all you people out there talking this and talking that, unless you're an attorney, we don't want your opinion.
Yes,
okay?
unless you're attorney, please don't give us any legal advice.
Exactly.
Please.
And unless you're a law enforcement officer, we don't need your opinion either.
Right.
Because I realize there's a whole bunch of jackasses running around on social media. And for the accomplices, right, don't think that you're free either.
No.
Because I knew who I sent a fake name to, who's now in cahoots with that person. I sent a fake name and a fake address, which wasn't my address, right, to purchase something from that individual. I knew who that person is. All right? This is the platform you shouldn't have messed with.
That was the biggest mistake you made.
Yes.
By messing with this platform here. Because anything you said, you have to have evidence to back up your accusations.
Right.
Right? We know there's a difference between freedom of speech and defamation of character. When Tasha K came out and she made all those accusations about Cardi B, I'm sure she thought she had freedom of speech until Cardi B took her to court and won for defamation of character.
We don't want anybody to post anything because we're not paying attention to what you're posting and blah, 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 blah. We are not doing this on our own. So we can only go with what we're instructed to do. Okay? So not unless you're our attorney, we're working with you, we care zero on what you have to post and say. Another thing I'm here to clarify. Back here, right here, this is my table. This is my table. None of y'all have ever been invited to my house to eat around my table. My table is clean. Nobody comes to my house and pour out their food on the table and then lick it off of the table. It is served in a plate. So me dancing on my table, I don't know how uno consider that nasty. When uno go restaurant go order food and people all put on a sandwich bread between them body and poop on it first before they make up on a sandwich and give uno. My table, me can dance anyway. Me feel like dancing in my house. I came home from Chicago because this individual said me couldn't turn on my live, right? My husband said, if my husband did have something to do, Vanilla wasn't here. Vanilla was at her house. Me did all come in my master baker costume because I started my master baker makeup and him said that I could take too long. So me say me have to give people things to talk about. Yes. Me take off my shoes, me go in my garden in my backyard barefoot, me run up and down me go in my garage, me rub my foot on ground because I knew they were gonna bring up my feet on off the live. I'm no fool. If you're gonna come, if they want to talk about me, I'm gonna make sure me give them something to talk about and to come over, come see. Me get my pedicure and my manicure every 2 weeks. Get that right. Una never see me come on live and for me nails them. No do. Never. You understand? That's one thing. Me can do anything me want in my house. You hear me? Me can go up on my table if me want because nobody comes at my house, pour them food out on my table and then lick it off. You understand? They're served in plates. Alright? Them use them knife and fork and them silverware. Me sit down and me wipe off my table. I was clean. I was showered. Okay? Me never take off my panty and go up on my table and go wind up on my table. No, I was in my house dress. Understand? Clean. Because I took a shower. Yes? Understand that. Yes? Me not have to explain nothing what me doing in my house. Me dance anywhere me want dance. Master Baker dance anywhere she want dance. She will dance from her head top if you not allow her to. You understand me? So with all of you chattering out there, it means zero. To us. We have bigger fish to fry. Yeah, you understand? Because one thing with me and Vanilla, we don't come on the internet and fast with people. You understand? When I come out here, come trouble nobody. When me come out in defense of my sister, it was a broad statement. Nobody name has ever been called. We attorney got through all our video for that name and all know him not hear one time that the name they ever mentioned power platform. You understand? So if we fling a stone and a dog squeal, we not have no control over that. Your ride we go, your ride we come. All because of who we support. Yes, we must be bullied by you. We must be, we must come under submission to you in who we support, in whose event we go to. In how we operate or we dress over here.
What we for say?
No, honey. No, no.
It don't work so over here.
No.
You can't control
it. And
us.
like Vanilla say, if me even want bring God in there and say, Vanilla make God take care because I have the kind of art there, she said no. No. It's personal. It's personal.
To me, this is personal. I don't care if she mentioned my name, your name, you called us by some fake name. It's personal.
First advice. Strike down the page them over YouTube. We are allowed to say
we're not done. We're not. Remember when I said I am not done yet. I am not done yet, and it will continue. Yes. It will continue, and enough is enough. You think you deleting and putting videos private, that don't make no damn bit of a difference. It's still, you came live with that video and made those accusations.
We're not letting
it.
And even if we come on here and say nothing, guys, we cannot. We cannot.
Like I said, there's certain things we can come out here and talk about, and there are certain things that we cannot come out here and discuss. It will be done in the background,
but
behind the scenes.
But
we are working.
We're working. We working.
We are working hard.
Yeah,
and
and we're not
am
gonna
not
deny
gonna
it.
stop.
That's why Vanilla come on tonight
Nope.
to say big, bad, and low. She struck
I
it down.
struck your pin.
Yes,
Pepe.
we struck it down.
I struck it down.
Yes.
And I don't care what accusations you come out here, come say. I'm not afraid of you.
And quit
I am
pulling that
not-
racist card.
Yes.
It's played out.
Played out.
Played out.
Played
the
out.
racist card played out.
My followers,
Yes.
my supporters know that I am not racist.
Exactly. And I know you're not
And my
racist.
best friend and my sister right here,
Yes.
standing right beside
And your
me,
husband know you're not
that I'm not
racist.
racist.
And your kids
my
them
husband
know
knows
you're not
that I'm not
racist.
racist.
Okay,
my
back
kids
up with the
know
race card.
I'm not racist.
Back
my
up.
ex knows that I'm not racist.
Yeah, but if she get opportunity because color her skin, then we are gonna take it. How about that? Anything. Yeah, we are anything. Anywhere, anyhow. So play a card all you want. Play it. Play it. Because you said she can't. That's
Yeah.
what you said.
Yeah.
She cannot.
I cannot. I cannot.
You can't. Not for Unapanya said we can't. But we're better at showing y'all than telling y'all.
Act to us, it's action, not a bag of mouth. We not come out here for chat what we are gonna do and what we're not gonna do. When we do something and it has fallen into place,
We'll come out and admit it.
I am going to come out here every time something takes place after it has gone through. I'm going to come out here and admit what I, Vanilla, have done to you, Pepe.
Yes.
Don't come out here, come accuse us of we did this and we did that and no. Because I'm not going to admit to doing something I didn't do. I'm going to come out here and admit I did that to you.
Yes.
I struck your pig?
Yes.
I
and
did.
Your
More
accomplice,
than one time.
we know who you are.
Yes, you're the people that are in your comment section making comments can be traced too. So don't think you're out of it either.
We
'cause you're not.
know who some of the callers are.
Yes.
We do. We know who they are.
We have people working for us in the background.
We
We're not
found
dumb.
out. We found out who you all are. Yes.
Yes.
On the things that all social media on the camera. Blah 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 blah. Let me use back on the line point. Oh no, this is America, baby. Yes, this is America. Oh, you think them catchy people them where they go they one time they may storm
The insurrection
yes. Oh, the thing
at the White House. How do you think they found them?
Oh, you think
So many people.
Social media.
So many people.
Uh-huh.
How do you think
Yeah.
they found them? Oh, okay. Just came to let you know, say, we're not afraid of you, and I'm not done. I've only just begun. All right? And as I said, I have appointments for you tomorrow. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. And let all the attorneys them talk now. That's on social media. And all the law enforcement people get in your group and talk. Yeah, because we're not got school for it. Or not practice. Keep talking.
Keep talking.
Keep talking. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't lose nothing.
No,
Wait,
I've never lost a court case. Never
Yeah.
lost a court case, and I don't plan to start now. So I'm going to make sure that we have a solid case against you before we go to court.
Yes. Solid as a
Solid
rock.
as a rock. I
As
don't
a
plan
rock.
on going to court and losing.
So all of I talk about, oh, they say they
can't
do
do,
this and
they
they can't
can't do that.
It no work like that.
Is there
it don't work like
Does
that.
it say chocolate and vanilla
Because-
on your birth
Hold on,
certificate?
Kim.
Or no, so it go.
And that's how it go. Because even with pictures, guys, once you put your picture out there, anybody can use it. Once you put it on the internet, anybody can use your picture. So you have people that say, oh, they must show your picture and this and that. Sue them. You can't do that. Because once you put your picture out there, it's public. You understand? A lot of honor need to be educated on the laws. You understand? It has to be more than that. Yeah? Yes. You understand? It's deeper than that.
Yes,
Yes.
deeper than that.
It's deeper than that.
Yes.
There are a lot of moving parts to this thing. But one thing, we not get tired.
No, and we're not stopped.
We not get tired.
And we're not give up.
Oh, we not get tired. Yeah? So your name is out here. Come to Atlanta whenever you're ready. With your bat or your button or whatever
Or
you
your
have.
2x4.
Or your 2x4. Come whenever you want for chocolate. whenever you want. Get through the gates to come in my community. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how to come. Get through the gates. And once you're in through the gates, yeah, pull up at my house. Pull up anytime you're ready. You hear me? Pull up. Me no married a ex-soldier for nothing. In can't go range. You're the pan me property in a Georgia. You come on my property. Me have a right to defend myself. Yes? By any means necessary. Take that or you want it. Yeah. Yeah. Take that.
Don't worry, my
however
husband
you
knows how to
want it.
protect me too.
Yeah.
Oh.
The one thing them do with we, I care we got
Care we got range and make
Yeah.
sure we know how to take
Handle
care of
ourselves.
ourselves.
Yeah.
Yes.
So anytime you're ready, just get through them gates. Them. I don't know how you're going to do it, but get through them gates. Yeah. Once you get through them gates, you pull up on my house. Pull up right into the driveway, darling. Don't you circle around. Come straight into the driveway. You hear me? Don't circle. Yeah. Come right in. You don't have to put that pan a hanger.
Oh,
You understand?
okay.
Yeah. That's it. That's all we have to say. From now on, it's quietness over here.
We're working
Step by step.
Yep.
That's it.
until
Yeah.
the actions have come to fruition.
Yes.
You won't hear back
Quiet.
from us.
That's it. But that's what Vanilla want to just come on and make her know. She strike it.
I, Vanilla, struck the page.
Yeah.
Sure
Strike
did.
it. Strike it down.
Here I am.
Yeah. Yeah. And we're going to continue to strike on. You understand? We can. So we do things. When we do things, we not hide
No.
and do things. We
Not
tell
hide
you,
behind.
we tell you in your face, say, this we do.
Yep.
Yeah? We not hide. So you don't have to make up no story.
Don't make
How
up no
we?
story.
We tell you what we do. We tell you how we live. We not add and we not take on. You understand? Whatever we can do, we say we can't do it. Yes? What we can do, we do. You understand? We not
What we
add
can
on.
talk about, we'll
Yeah.
talk about. What we can't talk about, we won't come
Yeah,
out here.
we're not talking about talking, we're talking about our life. And
Yeah.
not all where people not have to come out here, come lie upon we.
Yeah.
What we can do, we just can't do.
Yeah.
What we can do,
We
we
do.
do. Yeah, we not fake it. Yeah, ain't no faking.
Ain't no faking over here.
Yeah, there's no faking in nothing, in busting my ass. There's no faking with that. I can't fake busting my ass. You understand me?
Can't fake
me
working
wish,
hard.
Me wish me could have fake busting my ass. You
Can't do
understand?
that.
And juggling a whole bunch of things at the same time. I wish we could have fake all of that shit. But me cannot fake it. You understand me? Yes, there are times when people are asleep and I'm up. Because we're always having to be creative in what we do. And always, tweaking and looking ahead and making what we do better. You understand? Me making people them live better than me. We actually occupy my place. Instead of doing mine. Yes? Instead of upgrading mine, me upgrade for them. You understand? I saw me do it. Because that'll make me money. Yeah? Me in here, nothing wrong.
No.
Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. You understand me? Nothing is wrong. You understand to me?
We don't fake our lives over
Yeah.
here.
You understand? Yes. So we're going to show you better than we can tell you. You don't
Sure,
have to come out
sure.
and lie.
Nope.
Can we?
Nobody can lie. Because
You
we're
don't have to come lie,
I'm
pal.
gonna come out here confess what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to close them and just play with them. Cause we so
Hey, Teacher
caught up.
K, big up yourself.
Hey, Teacher K, big up yourself, Queen. Big up yourself.
Big up
every
yourself,
time.
Queen.
Big up yourself. Yes. So we don't want to. Nobody guess. But nothing. Margaret Isaac, big up yourself.
Margaret Isaac, big up
You don't have
yourself,
to
Queen.
guess. She not lie. That's the only time you hear a truth come out of her mouth. When she said chocolate and vanilla, them strike my page.
Sure did.
Yes, we did. Yes.
Yes, I did.
We did. Yes. Everything else is a lie. This is the truth. We
Yeah.
did. Not we. Vanilla
I did.
Yes.
I did. Sure did.
Uh-huh.
More to come. Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't worry. It's only started.
Yeah, you're not feel lie upon we.
No, nobody come lie upon we.
Yeah. Because me would take a thief any day over a liar. You understand? Because whatever you thief from me feel like me can replace it. But with a liar, then we send your ass God prison, pan a lie. Then we make you get killed, pan a lie. You understand me? One thing that from my mother instilling on me from me from me a young every time I lie, me get my ass whoop. Yes, she said I cannot stand a lie because if you not gonna be truthful to me when something really happened, me supposed to be able to believe you. It's supposed to be gospel to me. You understand?
True.
So she whenever me lie, me get my ass whoop for lying. So I grew up with that in me. Not to lie. Better you tell me the God honest truth and make it hurt me than lie to me. Yes. Yes.
All right, so here we are. So let's show them certain stuff, messing with them. I'm standing here playing with it.
So guys, for the queens on my platform, you know I'm giving away a barrel from my closet, right? So I'm here to show some of the stuff that I'll be putting in the barrel. Remember, Vanilla is gonna be giving away a food barrel.
Yes.
Right? So I have the first gown here. It's black. It's a gown. I wish the thing is working. Guys, would you prefer for us to have Mike set up the stand for us and we'll come back and show the clothes? That way we can show it properly. We can take down the camera and show it. Because I feel like it's not doing it any justice.
Yeah, I don't feel like you can really see the clothes.
On the wall we do that, make one noise. Because it's for our supporters, you know? So we want you, Vanilla, you're stepping on that.
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, we want...
Okay, make one noise.
Well, it's off ear, you hear? Yeah. Yeah, my mom and my dad say if we can't believe you, that's not good. That's sad. We want to be able to, when you tell us something, it's the truth. Yes? Yeah.
Oh, they say yes.
So yes, they say yes. All right.
We'll come back.
We'll come back. Yeah. We'll have them, but we want you guys to see them good, you know, and well. So we'll let Mike set up the thing for us, and then we'll come back. Which night we can come back? Thursday night?
We can come back Thursday night.
Thursday night, because we won't be able to.
Yeah, they must say yes, do it different.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We just wanted to. We
want to make sure you guys can see them and see them properly. You understand?
Say, yeah, do it different. All right, Ed teacher. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you guys for your understanding. We were fighting with it and we can't figure out how to get it together. There are tons of pieces.
There's three of them. That's the thing is there's three of them. So to know. We don't know which piece goes with which one, and we tried.
We tried.
It didn't work out for we, so.
We just have Mike.
Yeah, he's going to have to put it together for us.
So y'all good? Y'all doing good? Hope everybody's doing well. We're good, you know? We're just busy, but we're good. Yeah, so we'll come back Thursday night.
We'll be back Thursday night to do it.
Yeah, we're going to ask Mike to do it for us.
Yeah.
He's actually sleeping. If he wasn't sleeping,
we'd ask
him to do it, but he's sleeping. So, I love you guys. Thank you for coming to see about us.
For joining us.
Yes, and sorry it's a short live, but Vanilla just wanted to deliver that message. She's like, I want to go out there and let our supporter know what we did, what we've done, or what I've done. Yeah, what she's done. We're not hiding anything.
I'm not hiding.
Whatever we don't speak about is because we can't speak about it.
And there's certain things that everybody knows. False accusations are going to come out saying we did this and we did that. No.
Let it come. We're not stressing.
No.
Whatever she wants to do, let her do it. Yes, let her do it. All right. God bless you guys.
God bless you guys.
And sorry about Sunday night.
Yes.
Sunday night we tried.
Yeah.
To come to do the praise and worship, and we just got caught up. Because I don't know if you guys knew that Vanilla daughter, she's graduating. We have our party, a graduation party for her next month. So we're working on that as well. So
above and beyond our businesses.
Yeah. So we got caught up with that. Yes. Yeah. Looking at the venue, picking out stuff. There's certain colors and all of that. So, and then I leave not next week, not next week. The beginning of the other week, I go on vacation. Yeah.
Right around the corner.
Right around the corner.
Right around the
Yeah,
corner. Yeah.
corner. I get a
Yeah.
break, yeah. So, whew, I need it. Have a wonderful
Thank you
night,
guys so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Have a blessed night. Take care of yourself, and we'll be back.
I'm hot.
Thank you so much, Margaret. Thank you so much for the star senders. Appreciate
Thank you
it.
guys.
We
to
missed
come and
it,
see
but you
about
know
us.
we're in.
Jennifer,
we're in
good,
the zone.
good and big up yourself.
Love you, Jennifer.
Love you too, Queen. Love
Anisha,
you.
Maureen,
Thank you guys so
Melinda.
much for all the love, all right? And support. Thank you guys. But
Thank you.
we'll be back. We'll
Yes.
be back Thursday night, huh? Hopefully on a different vibe.
Yes.
The vibes that we love.
Yes.
Yeah.
Positive vibes.
The vibes that we love. Yes.
Yes.
Love
But
you
I
guys.
had to come out and say what I did. Thank you so much, Janice. Thank you. Yep. Soon to be a lawyer.
Oh,
Yes, another
Kylie.
lawyer in the family. All right.
Yeah. Big up yourselves.
Highly favored. Big up. Sharon, big up yourself. All right, kings and queens. Mel, take care.
Bye,
Guys, have a blessed night. Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful night.